Welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna describe why some cars have extremely high insurance rates in Ontario, Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, have you ever wondered why car insurance in Ontario is so expensive? Sometimes two people drive similar cars, live in same city, same age, but one pays 150, other pays 300. And some cars have extremely high insurance rates even if they are not luxury cars. So today I'm going to explain why some cars have extremely high insurance rates in Ontario and how you can avoid buying a car that may become an insurance nightmare. Okay. So first of all, remember one thing. Insurance is not charity. Insurance is a business. Okay. Even if you never had an accident, if your car model is a high risk, you pay more. So let's break down the main reason. The number one reason I would like to discuss is theft drive, or you can say theft rate. This is the biggest reason in Ontario today. Some cars are stolen much more than others. Insurance companies track theft statistics. If a car is commonly stolen, premium becomes higher. For example, an SUV and popular models are very common targets. So if you park in a even if you park in a safe area, insurance price rises because thieves target that model. Second is repair cost. Some cars have expensive parts. Even if car is not a luxury car, parts might be expensive, like sensors, cameras, bumpers, headlights. Modern cars have even advanced technology too. Even minor accidents can cost thousands for these cars. So that's why insurance companies increase premium for cars with expensive repair costs. Now, again, you will not find it too funny, but it's accident rate. Some cars are driven by like a particular age group drivers more, like sports cars and performance models are often involved in more accidents. Even if you drive carefully, the car history affect your premium. Insurance company use that static. Okay. Next is vehicle class type. Two cars may look similar, but insurance companies classify them differently. A sedan may be cheaper than SUV. A engine may be classified as performance vehicle. Even trim levels matter. Okay. Parts availability is also important. Okay. If parts are not available easily, repairs take longer. So that means insurance company may have to pay more for rental car coverage, of course, based on what package you have bought. The premiums go up automatically. Next is safety rating. Cars with poor crash test rating may have higher premiums because in case of an accident they have to be paid more. If car has less safety features, risk of injury claim is higher. Okay. Now driver profile for that car also matters. Okay. What type of drivers buy that car? If a model is popular among young or risky drivers, it becomes expensive. Yeah. So the very first thing I would say that you should consider in this matter is to, before you go to buy, get insurance quotes first. Compare multiple insurance providers. Avoid high theft vehicles. Install anti-theft devices. Avoid sports trim if possible. Check repair cost and parts availability. Many people buy a car first, then get shocked by insurance. Never do that mistake. Okay. This is what I want to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel.